Alright guys, so this is a 2014 Honda Accord. We're going to be replacing the map lights, and pretty simple to work with. You want to start here and pops out just like that. Okay, turn it off, and as you can see the bulb's already in there. So all you gotta do is pretty much, let's say you gotta replace these, just pop it out, just easy as that, and just put your new one in. Okay, and before you close it up, make sure you test it, make sure everything works, and everything's good. Pretty much turn it off and close it back in. Okay, there you go. Alright, and you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you out with that. Okay, thank you. Beautiful